Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing power and getting the buds into pairing mode. Place both earbuds in your ears, then press and hold the button on each earbud for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing rather than just powering on. While you do that, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is turned on and scanning. Once the LEDs flash, keep the device close, within about 1 meter, so the initial connection signal stays strong and uninterrupted. Now you'll complete the pairing on your phone or computer. Open Bluetooth settings and refresh the device list. You should see Jabra Elite Sport 13. 5 appear. Tap or click that entry to start pairing and accept any prompts that appear. If a PIN request shows, enter 0000 or simply confirm the pairing dialog. Once paired, you'll hear a voice prompt or see a connected status. Make sure to allow permissions for calls and media so audio routing works as expected. Finish by testing both audio playback and the microphone so you know everything works. Play music, adjust volume, and make a short call. If one bud is missing or audio drops, place both buds in the case and perform a reset. Hold the earbud buttons for around 10 seconds until LEDs indicate reset, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, install Jabra Sound Plus on your device to check firmware updates and settings. Updating firmware often resolves stability and compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.